guys, welcome back to my channel. You see an intro, isn't that new? So I didn't forget this time, but I'm gonna speed through because my battery's running low. As usual, I have to get another battery pack. So anyways, I created this look. It kind of mirrors, I think it was my second video, that's called Pink Glittery Eyes, but it's a little different. I added black eyeliner on my lower lash line, and I changed up some of my lashes. These are Lilly lashes this time, so little things that I changed here and there, but it does look like the same initially. So if you want to see how to create this look, just keep on watching. Sorry about the hair, I didn't have enough time to show you, but I'll do a hair tutorial coming up soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Mwah! So first we're going to start off with this palette that I have. And in this palette I have shadows for Makeup Geek and MAC. So the first shadow that we're going to go on with is called Chickadee from Makeup Geek. And I'm going to use this as my transition color right in the crease using a blending brush from Morphe. Color we're going to go in with is called Celebration, and I believe this is also from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to put that directly below the Chickadee, but blend it into my crease. Next up we have, what is that color? I believe it's Cranberry from MAC. So this is going to be my lid color. The color payoff, it doesn't do it any justice on camera, but it is so gorgeous. It's like a burgundy wine kind of color, which I tend to gravitate towards, and it has a bit of shimmer in it, which I really, really love. Just give me the shitter, give me the glitter, and yeah, a little dance with that. So next we're going to go in with MAC Prep and Prime. This is my first time actually using this as a primer, and I actually like it so far. It's not too greasy. It also appears to smooth out my pores, which they are huge and they have their own zip code. But anyways, I like it as a primer. My usual go-to is a Hangover RX, but I think I'm gonna start using MAC Prep and Prime. It made for a smooth canvas. So anyways, I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and sharpening out the line on my eyeshadow. And I've already put my lashes on off camera because you've seen this before, but I'll create a tutorial just for that. So here I'm putting on my pore minimizer to minimize the appearance of those pores even more, because you can never have too much. And for foundation today, I'm going in with Makeup Forever HD Matte Foundation, and I had to use number 67 and 70 to get my actual perfect matched color. I'm putting this on with a foundation brush, and then I'm going to use my blender, my beauty blender, to blend it out. And what you saw me put on the blender was Farsali, I believe it's called Gold Elixir. And I just added that for a little bit of extra moisture, because sometimes that matte foundation can leave my face just a little too matte. I still like my face to have a bit of doing it, but not too much. So that's why I use the elixir. And so blend that out with your beauty blender, your makeup sponge, and then we'll move on to the next step, guys. I'm so sleepy. Can you hear it? Can you tell? Okay, I'm rambling. Time for my favorite part, concealer. Again, I'm using my favorite Ride or Die, Holy Grail, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium. And have I ever mentioned that I love this applicator? Yes, a dozen times or so, but I love this applicator. Anyways, blend that out with a beauty blender, makeup sponge of your choice. Make sure you blend that out evenly. I usually start from my inner corner and work my way out, or I start from the bottom and then work my way to my inner corner and out, if that makes sense. Are we ready on the set? Time for setting that concealer. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent powder as always. I'm putting that on with the beauty blender that I just used to blend out my concealer. I like to use a damp sponge. It really helps to pick up that powder, and then I dab, no pun intended, dab it out and pack it in with the beauty blender. Next, I'm going to set the rest of my face with my MAC Studio Fix powder. I can't remember the shade that this is in, ever. I think I always say that, but I'll get it. I'll get it one day. So, and I'm using a big, huge, I think this might be a blush brush. No, it can't be a blush brush. That was too big. A face brush, I think. So, yeah, blending that out with that. Next, I'm going to go with my contour shade, and I'm blending this out with a contour brush. What did I use for my contour in this one? Oh, I'm using the Makeup Forever, the compact that I'm holding. So I'm using that bronzing powder as my contour. Duh. Blending out and setting the rest of that contour with that bigger contour brush, I believe is what it's called. I'm not for certain now. Now I'm going in with one of my favorite blushes of all time from Pacifica. It's called Tenderhearted. I believe I got this in an Ipsy bag, and oh my gosh, I love this blush. I mean, it's not too vibrant, it's not too intense, it's very subtle. And it has like a bit of gold, I want to say gold speckles in it. So it almost acts as a blush and a highlighter. It's wonderful. It's amazing. Okay, enough of that. So Champagne Pop from Becca Cosmetics, per usual. I'm using that as my highlighter. I cannot get enough of this highlighter. I need another one. I need to just have them on deck because I use it that much. And I'm using what kind of brush is this? I want to say a contour brush. I want to say it's a contour brush. It's one of my favorites. And I'm using that same face brush to blend everything together. Now I'm going to hit that lower lash line with the Naked Heat palette. I'm going to use He Devil from that to fill in that lower lash line. But before that, I am going to pop in Champagne Pop on my inner corner. Yeah, because I like to do things backwards. Oh, wait, no, that's not Champagne Pop. That is Lumbre or Lumber from that Naked Heat palette that I used in my inner corner. I told you guys I was sleepy. Again, Lumber from Naked Heat. I'm putting that in my inner corner. And I think if my memory serves me correctly, I am using He Devil from the same palette to put on my lower lash line. But we'll see. Next, I'm going to add Whirl lip liner to my lips by MAC Cosmetics. And then I'm going to follow up with Stripped by Anastasia Beverly Hills for my lipstick for the day. And then on top of that, I'm going to pop in the Dose of Colors. I think I might have did this off camera. And then I'm going to hit that lower lash line like I said earlier, but I didn't use Naked Heat for that like I said. Instead I used Bitten out of, it's Makeup Geek Bitten out of that palette that I use for my, my eyelid. And once we pop on Dose of Colors lip gloss here, then and can you not, this look is complete, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you.